Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'd like to just give you a quick video walk round on a car that's just arrived with us in stock. This being a 2020 SEAT Arona SE technology, finished in Nevada white metallic with the contrasting grey roof. Now this is a car that's just arrived with us in stock, so we're going to present the car to you and give you a little video view of what it's like inside. Now all of these cars have the SE Tech trim, which is a grey trim with a sort of grey black edging. Both seats are height adjustable. When you move to the rear, you've got plenty of space for the size of the car with two ISOFIX fixings, so if you've got car seats you can safely strap those in. Those rear seats do fold down as well, which make life a bit easier for the larger objects. Nice 17-inch alloy wheels, and then moving at the back you have rear parking sensors, and one of the Arona's trump cards is this false floor. So what it gives you is the ability, if I can do one-handed, to level it up. So if you have a dog or you don't want to have a lip in the boot, you can adjust it quite easily from there. Quite a neat feature. When you fold the seats down with the floor in its higher position, it actually makes the boot pretty much flush. Moving up to the front, you've got electric windows all the way around. You've also got electrically adjustable wing mirrors as well. You have automatic headlights, so no needing to adjust those when you get out. And then coming inside, this one has a 5-speed manual gearbox, and as I pan the camera around you can see you've got a wireless phone charger, so depending on your phone that will charge it without the need of cables, and air conditioning, and then SEAT's big media screen. So this has satellite navigation built in, which is surprisingly functional, easy to operate. You also have DAB, the ability to stream music. This even has a CD player, believe it or not. Bluetooth hands-free, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so that's all nice and modern. Cruise control up on the left-hand side, as well as the windscreen wipers on the right. Now this car has only covered 26,500 miles, so it's done very low mileage in its 4 years. It's just had a lot of work carried out. It's just had all-time functional stuff, but it's just had new tyres fitted. It's also had new brakes fitted, and it does have a new MOT which is just about to go on. So if you're looking for a car that's ready to go, this could be it. Thanks a lot. Bye.